Okay, so now I have resized myself. I'm fitting inside of that iPad, and I erased the rest of whatever background was left. So I don't know about you guys, but my edges are a little bit choppy. So what we're gonna do is try to smooth those out a little bit. Okay, so if you go to the third tool down, you should have one of these lasso tools, okay? Remember, you can hold the control key down to access all of the lasso tools. Go to the regular lasso tool, and you have a little arrow connected to it. What I want you to do is get that arrow as close to the edge of the outline of yourself. You're holding and creating an outline, and it's okay if you don't get right on the edge, but try to get nice and close. And you're holding and creating an outline all the way around you, even the bottom, and right back to where you started, then let go. So now you have these marching ants. And then we're going to go up to here where it says Refine Edge. Click on Refine Edge and click on the Smart Radius and pull that up all the way as far as it can go. But when you look at that, I want you to pay attention to your background, okay? Now start making adjustments. Pull that down until you can see that it's making your edges smooth. And you can also pull the smooth edges. It makes very, very, very slight changes, but I can already see that it's made my edges much smoother, okay? So once you get it the way you like it, go ahead and click OK. And now we need to deselect these marching ants. So go up to the top and deselect. All right, so now we're ready for the very last step, which is to add text. So we're going to add text, and the text is going to say, I read. And we're going to add that text to the iPad layer. So if you look at your layers palette, right now I'm clicked on layer 2. I need to click on layer 3 because that's the layer we need to add text to. All right. Big letter T stands for text. You can add vertical or horizontal text. I'm going to add horizontal because I think it'll fit nice in here. And remember, this is telling you what color your text is going to be. So if I do blue, it's not going to show up. So I am going to double click and change that. I'm going to make mine white. You can make yours whatever color you want. And click and go ahead and type in iRead. Oh, I cannot see because it's so tiny. I'm going to go as large as possible for now. Capital READ, and it's still super tiny. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to highlight and then go over and make it larger. And I have too many eyes in there. Okay. And I want this to be even bigger, I think, because it's not really impacting as much as I know it can. So let's try 100. I think I can do better than that. 125, maybe even better than that. Let's jump up to 150. That's much better. Oh no, I undo typing on accident because I deleted. Okay, now I'm going to go to my move tool so I can move this down to where I want to. And there you go. You're all done. Congratulations. Nice job. Now don't forget to save. Okay, so save again. Save, make sure it's in your folder. Make sure it's on your flash drive. Remember, flash drive shows up here. Your folder is in this area. Okay? All right. Congrats.